Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you some tricks to identify pure honey. The honey usually gets mixed with a lot of sugars by the time it reaches us, and that is really not the honey that gives us all those benefits. It's a natural product, and it should not be adulterated. It should be consumed in the way it's available by nature, and only then will it give us the benefits that we require honey to provide us. So there are some quick fun tests that we can all do at home to see if the honey that we are consuming is pure or not. My favorite one is the matchstick test. Now what we do is we take a little bit of honey on a spoon, say, we just need a drop or two. What we'll have to do is, this is test number one, we'll have to dip a matchstick right in it. Now if the honey contains water, water is also another thing that people use to adulterate honey, and which makes it less runny. It'll have trouble in lighting up. So here you go, and then you try and light this up, and if you see, it quickly lights up. So that's one very easy trick to check if your honey is pure or not. The other trick is, obviously, take a glass of water. Okay, let's do two tests together. So I'm going to take a small bottle like this, which is empty, and I'm going to fill it up with water. Now pure honey is not supposed to, oops, I'm making a mess again. Pure honey is not supposed to mix in water. No matter what happens, it should settle at the bottom. Okay, so here is the oily honey. Okay, and I'm going to do that test for you guys to see it. If you see, it settles right in the bottom. There is absolutely no mixing of that in the liquid, so it's right there. Can you see the honey? It settles. It doesn't mix with water at all. That is a very, very good test of honey. You should try this. Now what we'll do is we will shake this bottle up. You shake the bottle vigorously. If the honey has adulteration, then you will see the foam on top is going to see, it becomes nice and foamy. Okay, and this foam which forms on top is not going to go away that easily. It's going to remain like this for a while. Whereas if the honey is adulterated and is mixed with the other ingredients, then by now the honey would be totally dissolved in water. I'm going to show you this same container after some time again, so that you know how long the foam sort of lasts. Okay, the other test is to see if the honey stays on your thumb. Okay, so I'm going to just put a drop of honey, and if you see, the honey is not running away anywhere. That is called the thumb test of honey. It will eventually, trickle off, but that's how slowly pure honey trickles. Okay, if you see, it's not leaving my thumb. It's right there, unless I obviously do like this or like this. If you keep it flat, it's not leaving my thumb at all. Okay, so it's right there on my thumb, the entire honey. In fact, this side has not even moved. So that's another trick of checking honey. Real honey doesn't leave your thumb. It stays right there. Yeah. That was yum. Look how the water is still foaming. Yeah, that's how real honey foam is. And I'm not being able to show it to you, but it sort of foams in like a honeycomb format. Yeah, so those are some tricks. Also, I wanted to show you the tissue paper trick, where if there is honey, then it's going to leave a watermark, and if it is not, then it is just going to be a stain. This is where I've used honey in the past, Yeah, I'll show you. The honey is not even moving from its place. It's right there. Okay, so it's not runny at all. It's not runny. See, look, I'm doing that also. I don't know if you guys can make out, but it's not really moving from its place at all. And that's quite a lot of honey. Okay, and there's absolutely no watermark on it. If it had water, you would see that along the side of the honey there is a mark of water which gets formed. Okay, that spot that you see in the middle is because the tissue paper is porous, and there is absolutely no honey watermark surrounding this part. Yes, that's a test. Other test is to keep your honey in the refrigerator, where you can see whether it crystallizes. Of course, if it has sugar content, the sugar will settle right at the bottom, and you'll be able to make out whether it's real honey or not. Real honey actually never freezes. It becomes like a popsicle when it comes out, like a one big blob, and you will never be able to sediment out the sugar from the real honey. Also, another thing is that real honey is not at all runny. So if you see how slowly the drop is going to form and fall. Okay, if you see closely, I don't know whether you are being able to see it properly. This is something that look, yeah, real honey. Real honey takes a lot of time to form a drip and fall. Yes, so this is the Oli honey. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, and finally I've managed to do all these tricks that I've been doing at home. Just to from the time we started making honey, we started doing these tricks to show people and how cool we are and how cool these ingredients are. How cool the product is. Honey as a product is one of the best natural ingredients out there. It's a superfood. It really helps in making your skin, your hair, your body, your weight, everything could be healed by this. So please give the Oli honey a try and see the benefits of what a superfood can do to you come to life. And please write to us, and if you want a tester sample once lockdown gets over, then maybe we can do a honey cookout. We'll keep sharing more recipes and more different things that we can do with honey, but this was one of the most fun that I've had in making a video. And thank you guys for watching, and please do try these tricks at home with whatever honey you're having. And then when you see that there's a lot of mixing that happens, or lacing, if we can say, if once you figure that out, then you can come and let us know, and we'll have pure unadulterated forest honey delivered right to you at your doorstep. Till then, you take care and have a good day, and stay safe, stay home. Have a cup of honey and lemon and tea every morning to boost that immunity, and be strong and fight this COVID-19. You guys take care now.